So just putting the finishes on our chicken tractor. Probably could have done a lot better, but I just used what I had in the shop, leftover wood. So I got 10 meat chickens, so this will give them over 2 feet, 2 square feet per bird. It's thin, but it'll work great. Got the center brace with the hook for the water drinker, and put some air circulation in the back. The top will have tin on the front and then wire on the back. We just got a basic lid, 2 people. You just grab it, set it on top. And then the 5-gallon bucket full of water will sit on top in the middle there to feed the drinker. Last thing we did tonight was we put these little wheels on here. It doesn't sit very high up off the ground, maybe a 1/4 inch, but it makes it a lot easier to move. You can pick it up, move it back and forth real easy with the wheels on it. So there you go. Another 2 weeks, these guys will be outside on the grass moving around every day.